But we begin tonight with a closer look at a law with ties to a high-profile double murder. Good evening, I'm Chad Silber.
And I'm Sydney Moore. A new law takes effect tomorrow, and it's named after these two right behind us. You'll remember Devin Clark and Lyric Woods died in 2022. Police say someone murdered them.
It took weeks to find a suspect, and WFMY News 2's Nixon Norman learned how the law could speed up that process.
That's right, guys. This new law will make it easier for law enforcement agencies to put out information about juveniles who may have committed a crime. It will allow the release of juveniles' first and last names, photographs, alleged offenses, and the level of threat they impose on themselves and others. You'll remember investigators say Lyric Woods and Devin Clark were allegedly shot and killed by Isaiah Ross, who was 17 at the time of their murders. It happened in Orange County in September of 2022. He was accused of killing the teens in an execution-style murder, which resulted in the hunt for Ross. That search took 2 weeks. We spoke with the Orange County DA when the governor signed the law. He says it took so long to find Ross because law enforcement couldn't share any information.
We all remember it was a tense time in this community when there was that gap between when the murders occurred and we were able to apprehend the suspect. And this provides law enforcement with a tool to shorten that gap.
Within the law, there are parameters around the releasing of juveniles' first and last names, photographs, alleged offenses, and level of threat imposed. And one is the child is accused of at least one offense that could go to the Superior Court. 2, a judge determines that the suspect is a danger to themselves or other. And 3, the judge finds a good cause.
What this law is attempting to do is balance between the responsibility of law enforcement to protect the public and also keep juvenile records private as much as possible.
Now there's still protection in place for underage suspects accused of committing crimes. The law also states that once they are taken into custody, all information must be removed from social media and websites run by law enforcement agencies. Again, this law takes effect tomorrow.